And underneath here, you all, let me tell you something. We are getting down. I don't know what you want to do with your hair. Where's the fire? Where is the fire? Right? That I can't believe I purchased this, but I know the reason why I purchased it, okay? So you all, what I purchased at the store was this. Y'all see that? Can y'all believe I purchased this? Can y'all believe that? Let me tell you what this is. This is a Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, multi-parting lace wig. It's 100% Cakeline, okay? The number is 1B, that's off black, and 27 blonde. And it's micro twist. This is not a braiding piece, okay? And it's a 4x4 lace parting. It looks like that. On the back, it tells you a lot of different things about this wig, okay? It tells you that it skips the trip to the salon. 4x4 hand-tie parting with individual braid strands. Ultra soft Swiss lace, natural edges with baby hair, high quality fiber, lightweight braiding hair, hot water set possible. Okay, so that is what it's saying. This is what it is. And let me show you the hairpiece. The hairpiece itself is $159, but I got 25% off. I go to my local beauty supply store. I tell y'all that all the time, right? I tell y'all that all the time. This is what the hair looks like this. Okay? Yeah. Now I'm going to tell y'all, I have always wanted to try this. I have. I am not about to go and sit forever and pay a lot of money for braids because I don't keep them long. Y'all remember last time I braided up my hair, how long I kept them? I think I kept them braids for maybe a week and a half. Maybe a week and a half. If that. And I took them down. And that is just me being true to me, y'all. I know. So why would I go and pay all that money for braids when I know I'm not going to keep them up like that? I'm not. Now, this is what the hair looks like in the front. You got the baby hairs and things. This is what it looks like on the inside. That is where the combs are. You have a comb right here. And here's another comb right here. And here you have a beautiful strap. That's adjustable, okay? You can adjust it. Really nice. You can adjust it. And we have a comb underneath. We have a comb underneath. Now, y'all, I'm going to tell you, let me turn it inside out so you can see how it's constructed. Look at that. This is how it's constructed on the inside. Y'all, I'm trying to hold it where you can see through the light like that. It looks like this. I don't believe the package told me how long it is. It's not telling me how long it is. But on the girl, it comes past her breasts. You see that? So I don't know how long this is. Now, it looks like this. This is how it looks in between the braids. Okay? This is how it looks in between the braids. Y'all, I'm telling you, this is going to be nice. Guys, I am excited about everything about this hair piece. Look at that. Most of the 27, the blonde, is at the end, and it looks like your hair just grew out. It looks like your hair is this length and just grew out, okay? So I am very excited about this hair piece. I did try different colors on, and I did come down to this one right here. I am stepping out of my comfort zone, guys. We are on a journey. Look at that. Look at that. We are on a journey, you all. And they said you can set this with hot water. So We on a journey. All right.
Oh my God!
This look like on. I thought I would show you all what it is looking like. This is how it is looking. Now I haven't even cut the lace off. The lace is still right here, okay? The lace is still right here. I have tightened up the band, and it's nice and snug. I will not be doing the baby hairs, no time soon. The baby hairs are here, okay? If y'all can see that, the baby hairs are here, but I would just, y'all know I'm different. I would just be smoothing that back and not using the baby hairs, not now, okay? I don't really know if I am either gonna glue this down. I may not even glue it down. It has a nice snug fit, y'all. And I just threw it on without, laying my hair down underneath. It has a nice snug fit. It's really full. What I like about this is I can put this on, take this off, you all. You know how many times I can wear this, how long I will have this hairpiece. You could slick it right back down with hot water. I am loving the color. Let me show you how long it is. Can y'all see that? This is how long it is. It's coming down to my butt, right at the top of my butt. That's how the color look. Okay? That's how the color look. And in the front, let's part it. Let's bring it around. I am very excited about this purchase, you all. Now, let me show you how far it comes down in the front. Okay? That's where it comes to my waist. Right now, it is cold. It is cold. This will be ideal to be able to just throw this on, take this off. You all, the color is outstanding. I love how pretty the color is. Man, this is me. I can work with this. I can work with this. Y'all know I'm into my hats. Y'all, if nothing else, my head is going to be warm. Look at that. Come on, y'all. Come on. Shut the front door. Shut the front door. Okay? Yes. And look at that lace. I haven't even cut the lace off. Y'all, let's get into this. Let's get into this. Yeah. So I'm going to cut this lace off. No one knows. And with the baby hairs, I don't know. Right now, I am not going to be, making the J baby hairs. If anything, I would just use that as loose hair to cover up the lace like that instead of just, making the baby hairs like everybody wear them. But I have been playing with this hair, you all. And there's so many different ways to wear this unit already. Already. Oh, already. Oh, Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh. All right, well, I just cut off the lace and I'm telling you, I am loving this unit. Instead of making baby hairs, I will just use the baby hair that comes with this unit to just smooth down across the lace that I left out, because 9 times out of 10, I will be doing this with the hair itself. Y'all know I'm gonna have a lot of different ways to style this unit, but this unit will aid me in taking care of my hair and also giving my hair a break while we are growing it out. But I am loving this unit. I can see me buying a burgundy one and a black one. And this color here is 1B27. And I am loving it, y'all. I bought this unit with my own money. And I'm telling you right now, this is not the last that you are going to see of this unit. Well, guys, you have reached Regina TV. As you can tell by the smile on my face, I am very ecstatic about this hair. Yes, I am. I'm excited. I can't wait for my husband to see it. I am so happy with this purchase. I got it from my local beauty supply store, like I do all my units, y'all. I got it from my local beauty supply store. They gave me 25% off. I showed you the other items that I have bought, but this one right here, baby. This one right here, and I didn't have to sit for hours, and I can take it off when I take baths and sleep. And you know, y'all know I'm gonna have this unit for a while, right? Come on, stop playing. Stop playing. Give it up for your girl. Give it up for your girl. Well, you have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know, or anything you would like to share about your hair. Y'all, I want to hear about y'all hair journey. I really do. Especially if you've fallen along with my routines, because our hair is doing great. Also, guys, I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we have found some awesome sales. We are decorating our home. We are making Christmas decor inexpensively as well. So we have a lot of things going on over there on Regina's Way. So go over there, comment, like, subscribe, and share to that channel as well. And as always, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Happy holidays. And I'll see you in the next one. I love this hair piece, y'all.